gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
This is a brand new 2-in-1 device and also the very first 2-in-1 tablet running HarmonyOS, the Huawei MatePad Edge. It supports 2 usage modes, HarmonyOS tablet mode and HarmonyOS PC mode, and gives you 3 ways to interact with it: touch, stylus input, or a keyboard and mouse. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into our hands-on experience with the Huawei MatePad Edge. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. If you've used HarmonyOS tablets or HarmonyOS powered PCs before, this product might feel strangely familiar yet totally new at the same time. The smooth, cohesive HarmonyOS ecosystem is instantly recognizable, but seeing it on such a large screen tablet is a first. The MatePad Edge comes with a 14.2-inch flexible OLED soft light display from Huawei's Cloud series lineup. The visuals fully live up to Huawei's premium reputation. It offers a 94% screen-to-body ratio with super slim 4.1mm bezels that are perfectly even on all 4 sides. There's also a 32-megapixel camera tucked into the top bezel. The device itself measures just 6.85mm thick and weighs only 780 grams. If you love digital art, this combo, paired with the Huawei M Pencil Pro, feels like carrying a professional drawing pad everywhere you go. It's light, easy to handle, and the built-in drawing app performs incredibly well. The new gravity fluid brush, for example, actually makes it feel like you're painting on real canvas. And with stylus hover preview, you can float the pen above the screen to see what you're selecting before you tap. And if you like to game occasionally, the big screen adds a lot to the experience. Playing something like PUBG Mobile on a 14.2-inch 1440p display definitely feels more immersive than on a typical tablet, but there's more hidden behind that slim 6.85mm body, a lightweight aluminum alloy kickstand that's fully integrated into the back. Pop it open and the MatePad Edge instantly switches into another use scenario. When you're traveling for work, you can set it up during breakfast and watch the news or catch up on a show. The large, high-quality screen and the built-in 6-speaker audio system create a surprisingly cinematic feel. It might be a stretch to call it a portable home theater, but with Huawei Histon sound certification, the audio experience is definitely impressive. Huawei also designed a unique audio setup that links the tablet speakers with the FreeClip 2 open-ear headphones. Together, they create an independent 4-channel immersive sound system. Thanks to adaptive audio distribution, the tablet and the headphones work as a coordinated 4.0 channel setup. It's one of those features you really have to try to understand. And with that built-in stand, you no longer need to carry sheet music outside when practicing piano. The 14.2-inch flexible OLED soft light screen, along with the easy angle adjustments, makes reading music even more convenient. Another major part of the MatePad Edge is its PC mode. With a simple gesture, you can switch to a full desktop-like interface, and your files transition seamlessly between tablet and PC modes. For example, if you receive a document during a meeting, you can preview it in tablet mode, then dock the keyboard at your desk and continue editing without interruption. You'll notice that the WPS interface in PC mode isn't just similar to the tablet version, it's practically the same because it's running on the full HarmonyOS desktop system. A 4-finger swipe takes you straight into PC mode, and the performance it delivers makes you forget you're using a device that's only 6.85mm thick. For example, a massive 500 megabyte PowerPoint file opens the moment you double-click it, and even a 15 megabytes Excel sheet with more than 100,000 rows loads instantly. And PC-level productivity isn't limited to WPS. Engineers can run complex DWG files directly through Zhongwang CAD. The interface looks just like the desktop version, and editing is surprisingly fluid. If you're into video editing, the Huawei MatePad Edge can also handle full desktop-class editing software. We tested it by importing a 3-layer 4K 60 FPS clip. The editing process took just over 3 minutes, and exporting the final render took about 4.5 minutes. Even though the MatePad Edge is extremely thin, it still has an internal fan, but in real use, you can hardly hear it. That's thanks to its innovative cooling structure, which uses a back-to-front airflow system, dual diamond aluminum fans, and a micro-contact liquid cooling film. With nearly 4,000 large 1.2mm vents hidden behind the kickstand, heat is moved out quickly despite the slim build. The unit we're using here is the top liquid-cooled version, but even the non-liquid-cooled edition can push 25 watts of performance. And while testing, we noticed once again that Huawei's Starry Sky floating keyboard delivers its usual high quality. Both the keyboard and the touchpad feel just like what you'd get on a proper laptop. The keys have a travel distance of 1.8 millimeters, and the touchpad supports full-area pressure sensing, making everyday operations smooth and responsive. So how does the battery hold up? We simulated a typical workday with Wi-Fi on, brightness at 50%, and volume at 51%. Running WeChat, 10 browser tabs, 2 documents, and 1 PowerPoint presentation for an hour used about 13% of the battery. Exporting a 4K video for 2.5 minutes consumed around 5%. So for light office work, the battery life is more than enough. For charging, the MatePad Edge includes a 140-watt charger, which is outstanding for a device in this category. In laptop mode, the port on the left side of the keyboard supports 65-watt charging. If you plug into both ports, the system automatically picks the one with the higher power input. Overall, the Huawei MatePad Edge is a well-refined and truly innovative 2-in-1. It continues the MatePad series tradition of excellent hardware design while addressing the performance and ecosystem limitations that usually hold 2-in-1 devices back. On the software side, HarmonyOS gives it a unique advantage, allowing the device to take full advantage of its hardware whether you're using it as a tablet or as a PC. It eliminates the experience gap that most 2-in-1 products struggle with. In short, HarmonyOS has created a 2-in-1 that genuinely feels like both, a powerful tablet and a capable computer in one device. The base model of the Huawei MatePad Edge starts at 5,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 603 pounds in the UK and around $806 in the US. That wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our tech family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.